Hi everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook Nanny Pat's special boxty recipe. The ingredients you will need are 6 potatoes, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour and a pinch of salt. Step 1. Peel the potatoes. Step 2. Grate the potatoes. Step 3. Add 1 beaten egg, a pinch of salt, flour and mix it all together. This is what your mixture should now look like. Step 4. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture and put it on a hot pan to cook. Keep on doing so until all your mixture is used up. And don't forget to flip it halfway through. And now for step number 5, or as Nanny Pat calls it, the most important step. Sit back, relax and enjoy your freshly made boxty. Slán!